What's up guys, Nashty here and welcome back to my channel. So this is probably my last vlog episode and review for the Samsung Galaxy M20. So we've done a couple or several reviews in the past. So we did an unboxing, we did a camera review, we did a gaming review, and this time we're gonna do a review on its new software, which is of course Android 9 Pie with One UI. The Samsung Galaxy M20 recently received an update in the Philippines. So the update came sometime in mid-July 2019. So I think the update has been seeded in other countries like months before, but at least in the Philippines we just got it very recently. On this vlog episode, we'll find out what has changed, what the update brought to the phone, what are the things that we like, what we don't like. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's get down to business because it's about to get nasty.
Isang paalala, ang video na ito ay hindi katang-isip lamang. Ito ay pinag-isipan na talagang pinaghirapan. Kaya huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. I-follow mo namin ako sa Facebook, Twitter at Instagram.
So at long last, we now have the Android 9 Pie with One UI update for the Samsung Galaxy M20. How do you update your Samsung Galaxy M20 smartphone? Basically, you just have to go to settings, scroll down to the software update, and then normally you'd see like a number 1 here on the right. You just click on it to download it manually. And then as you can see, it says here that there's a new software update information. There's the version, the size, which is 1114.9 megabytes or 1.11 gigabytes. And then with security patch level, May 1, 2019. So basically, you just have to click on download for it to start downloading. So again, the speed of your download relies on your internet connection. So what's new for Android 9 Pie with One UI on the Samsung Galaxy M20? So let's read what it says. One UI brings you Android Pie 9.0 with exciting new features and a whole new look and feel based on feedback from users in Samsung and Google. We recommend that you back up your important data to keep it safe before the upgrade. Some apps, including Calculator, Samsung Internet, Samsung Notes, Samsung Members, need to be updated individually after you update your OS. To use the remote unlock function in Find My Mobile on an Android Pie 9.0 device, the screen lock password or PIN/pattern backup process is required. So please make sure that you remember the screen lock password or PIN/pattern before starting the update process. If you've forgotten the password or PIN/pattern, reset it before starting the update process. So basically, that's what's new for Android 9 Pie with One UI for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Let's go to the specifics. So what are the changes in the change log? So for One UI, there'd be changes in content settings and other information because they've been reorganized to keep you focused on the task at hand. There are now interactive elements that have been moved to the bottom of the screen so they're always within reach. There are new designs and features such as night mode to help keep your eyes comfortable. That's for the UI itself. For notifications, you can reply to messages directly in the notification panel. There are also image thumbnails in message notifications. And in an app's notification setting, tap the switch once to turn on or off all the notifications in a category. There are also changes to the Samsung keyboard. Unicode 11.0 emojis are now available. New adaptive theme changes your keyboard look based on the colors of the surrounding app. The floating keyboard is available in all apps and has new size and transparency settings. You can also set a custom touch and hold delay. So for device care or device maintenance, Performance modes are streamlined and integrated into power-saving modes. Edge panel for device maintenance is discontinued. For the settings, they've been reorganized to make settings easier to find. For the phone, you can now sort your call history by incoming and outgoing calls, and your call history can include up to 2,000 entries, up from 500. Contacts. The new drawer menu makes it easier to manage contacts from various accounts. Camera. The new Scene Optimizer automatically enhances the camera's color settings to fit the screen. Gallery. Photo Editor Pro's editing tools have been added to Gallery so you can make all your edits and touch-ups without leaving the app. My Files. The new storage analysis tool has been added to help you monitor your storage usage and save space. You can now show or hide items on the My Files home screen. And of course, there are also other improvements and changes. Like for example, call stickers have been discontinued and HEIF images are now supported. Of course, there's a lot more if we click on this link below. So what are the things that I like about the One UI update on the Galaxy M20? Well, there are several actually. So number one is of course the overall look and feel. So with this new update, the Samsung Galaxy M20 joins the other Samsung phones with Android 9 Pie and One UI. So it's going to be more or less similar to the interface of the flagship phones of Samsung. So that's a good thing. But then again, in terms of iconography, like the icons used, again, it really depends on you if you like this new thing with One UI that uses what they call like squircles, some sort of square and circle combined. And also, some would say that the icons look a bit cartoonish, but then again, it's a matter of personal opinion. But I think in general, in terms of overall look and feel and the direction where Samsung's headed, I think One UI is a right way to do it. Number two, I've noticed in terms of fluidity and all that it's a bit more fluid. So I really want to give props to Samsung for that. So another thing that I like is when you go to camera here. So there you can see me there. The interface of the camera app and then the settings that you see there, it's now much more in line with what Samsung offers on its flagship phones and other phones with One UI. So it's less cluttered and much more organized. And the same can be said with the settings menu. So here, so there's much less options to choose from, unlike before where the setting items are like everywhere. And speaking of settings, there's a new night mode as well on the One UI. So as you can see, it's now black instead of more of dark gray instead of white, so it doesn't hurt your eyes that much. With One UI, you can also disable Bixby if you're the type of person who doesn't like it. There's Game Launcher, wherein it's an app where all the games that you've installed on your phone would be placed into, so that in Game Launcher there will be like some tools there that you can use to record your games or to do some screenshots, etc. And also, of course, there's the gesture navigation, which I don't think is in its ideal state. Probably I would call this like a beta mode or something. But again, it's good to know that it's there, that if you don't like to use like on-screen buttons and you prefer like, just gestures, then it's there. So basically, these are the things that I like about the One UI on the Galaxy M20. So I hope you like this review and video as well. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Only here on the channel where Nashty is nice. I'm Nashty. Till then.